Good morning, guys. So we are in Meiringen, which is about 20-25 minutes from Interlaken, and it's a beautiful place. I'll quickly show you how the place looks like. That is our B&B. We have the room on the ground floor and the owners stay upstairs. But just look at the surroundings, guys. We're literally in the middle of snow-capped peaks. And that was the idea we had when we were selecting a B&B to stay in the Interlaken region. Now Interlaken is a proper city, but we chose to stay on the outskirts so that we could enjoy these very scenic beauty of this region. Let's have a look at this, guys. So let's see if we can try and get a drone shot here.
So where are we, Akshay?
We are in Iseltwald.
So Lake Brienz.
Yes.
In Iseltwald and Iseltwald.
Yes.
And yeah, we'll just show you the views. It's beautiful.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like.
It seems to be the best month to come. It's neither too hot, neither too cold. I mean, we are just wearing 2 layers of clothes and that's just doing the trick. Definite recommendation to come to Switzerland in September, because not just is it not too cold, not too hot, it's also, just after the peak season. So it's kind of this beginning of shoulder season. So things are relatively cheaper, though not as cheap as November, but then you won't get this weather in November.
Pulls dust from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. We shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
So guys, we're done with Iseltwald. We went to the pier where Crash Landing on You has been shot. We got a couple of photos and we really enjoyed just sitting by the side of the lake and looking out to the lake and the snow-capped Alps.
Yeah, it was beautiful. Lot of K-drama fans there, lot of Koreans with their kids, and they were just wanting to go on the pier and take like photos and videos. So yeah, in general it was beautiful. I mean, the water is crystal clear, like green, ekdam bright green. So it was beautiful, absolutely.
There's a steamer that runs on the lake. So if you want to ride on the lake, you can take that. We, on our part, in fact, we got free tickets to it. There was this German couple who saw us clicking photos and being all cute and everything, and they were like, they had two tickets with them, and they gave it to us. That why don't you guys go? But we skipped it because we've got to do many other places as well.
Also, I think it was extremely crowded.
Yeah.
Full of people. So we thought it's not worth it. So we didn't go. We are saving the tickets as keepsakes.
Yeah.
So yeah, but that was really nice.
And if you want to go out to the pier, it's about 5 francs per person. But on our part, we feel unless you are really crazy about getting that shot on the pier, we got ourselves photos from the banks of the pier. So that itself was really nice. So yeah, so with that we are done with Iseltwald. Quick tip over here, guys: when you come to Iseltwald to come to the pier, don't park your car at the first parking that you spot. You can drive right down to the pier, and there's a restaurant which has got paid parking, which is about 2 francs per hour. So park your car there, and otherwise if you park it at the first parking that you spot, you'll have to walk for at least 5 to 7 minutes, and then it's a descent while going to the pier, and therefore there'll be a steep ascent while coming back. So don't do that mistake. Now we are on our way to Interlaken, from where we will be going to Kulm, which is basically a sort of a hill, a mountain.
We're going to Interlaken train station.
Yes, we're going to Interlaken train station, from where we will take the cogwheel train up to Kulm.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Two hearts running wild.
How is it feeling?
What a view. Come, just sit. Let's just sit and stare at the view. It's breathtaking.
I agree.
Wow. Oh wow, there's just white tips of...
So I think I can do some mountain spotting here.
Yes.
So this one I think is Jungfrau.
Yeah.
This one, which seems to be the tallest.
We'll do Google Earth in some time again.
This one, which seems the tallest, seems to be Eiger.
Yeah.
And then this one is Monk.
Wow.
Not sure which peak this one is.
Wow. This is awesome. And it was such a easy 8-minute like train ride. That's it. कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं करना पड़ा. City से आपने लिया train, पहुंच गए आप mountain top. Like this is engineering marvel. Like they have made it so comfortable, because I can't even imagine coming to this height
Yeah.
through like hiking. Like पहले तो लोग वही करते होंगे, right?
Abhi bhi karte hain. There's one trail
sure.
next to this Interlaken point of the station.
Yeah.
People hike up from there.
Yeah, and तभी बोलते हैं कि हाइकर्स को ऐसे व्यूज दिखते हैं.
हाँ.
जैसे अभी भी अगर आपको हिमालय, माउंट एवरेस्ट, like things like that, always have to take the difficult route, but this was so easy.
Yeah. So guys, we are at Kulm, which is called the top of Interlaken, and as we might have already shown you this views from here. You can actually get a view of the Jungfrau, Eiger, and Monk mountains from here. And we've just taken a pit stop to have some food because we're really, really hungry. It's about 5 in the evening and we've not had lunch. So we're gonna dig into these fries and this beer. And one more thing that is going to be coming, we've ordered an alpine macaron cheese. It's an amazing experience being here. बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे. ठंड में गरम गरम फ्राइज. संगीता, आई डोंट थिंक इससे अच्छा कुछ हो सकता है. अब हम खाएंगे और हम आपको थोड़ी देर में मिलेंगे. ये रहा संगीता का alpine macaroni
With apple sauce.
with apple sauce. Yes, yes, yes.
Let's eat.
खा के बताइए ज़रा कैसा है. गरम होगा.
Very nice.
It is? Okay.
We are cheesy, are you?
Very nice. So after that really tasty late lunch, we'll finally explore the vantage point here at Kulm. So this is a platform which is jutting out from the Kulm, and it is just supported by a couple of pillars. And it's got some really beautiful panoramic views. So on the left here, what you see is Lake Brienz, and then on the other side, if you go, you get a view of Thun Lake, if you see there. And right in the middle is the town of Interlaken, with the alpine peaks of Monk, Eiger, and Jungfrau. So, Brienz Lake, Interlaken, which literally translates to between the lakes, and Thun Lake with the alpine peaks. And that's one of the spots where most people love to get a photograph of themselves, but it's extremely, extremely scary, and which is why me and Sangeeta have opted out of it. But overall, Kulm is a beautiful experience. It's really wholesome to be able to see the entire Jungfrau Grindelwald region from out here, and you guys must definitely do it if you're out here at Interlaken. So with that, we come to an end of our trip to Kulm. It's been a beautiful day with exploring Iseltwald, Interlaken, and Kulm. Now we'll head back to the B&B because we've got a long day tomorrow. We want to get some rest before tomorrow, and we're not going to reveal our plans because it's going to be a really, really long day where we were going to explore more places in this region. Hello. I am back.
We need to pay.
Yeah, we've had food, so we need to pay.
Yeah, she's here. Just give the card now.
Alright guys, we've come back to our B&B. Extremely tired, and the day had a bit of a gloomy end because once we reached back to the B&B is when we realized that I forgot my credit card at the restaurant at Kulm. Don't know how it happened. Was in a hurry for something, or I don't know, it was just too cold and was very distracted. And usually Sangeeta does keep a lookout for moments when I tend to forget my credit card at restaurants, but I think just in the moment it slipped from her mind also to check it. So but thankfully we have an add-on card on the credit card, so we should be able to continue using that. But still it was a bit of a scare once we realized that we don't have the credit card. तो अभी हमने उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया है, but yeah, it shouldn't have happened. But despite that, I think it turned out to be a great day at Iseltwald and Kulm, and we had a great time. Sangeeta is already very sleepy and she's already in bed. So we both will see you in our next vlog. Sangeeta, do you want to shout out from there? Until then, toodles! Bye-bye.